Tokyo World Championship 200-meter bronze medalist Bryan Levell says he would dedicate a full season to running the 400-meter event. Levell says while the event is not his major focus, he wants to lower his personal best of 47.61 seconds done back in 2020.
I don't have a personal reason, but probably like a one season I might. But I really enjoyed the 400, but that's not my place right now. It's tough, but tough is normal, so yeah.
The 22-year-old sprinter also gave his thoughts on trying the 200, 400-meter double in the future.
Well, it would be rough to do the 200, 400 double at a championship, but probably like the 400 alone. It's nice to take on a challenge, why not?
Levell owns a personal best of 19.64 seconds for the 200 meters achieved at the Tokyo World Championships in September.